Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Nvlddmkm.Sys. Your device ran into a problem in Windows. It's a common issue related to your graphics driver, and we'll walk you through two simple methods to solve it. First, let's update the graphics driver. Right-click on the Start button, then click on Device Manager. Now expand the section called Display Adapters. Find your graphics card, then right-click on it. Click on Update Driver from the list that appears. Choose the option that says Search automatically for drivers and let Windows do the rest. Next, let's use Command Prompt and check for updates. Click on the search bar and type Command Prompt. When it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Type Power CFG-H off and press Enter to disable hibernation, which can sometimes cause conflicts. Next, type SFC/ScanNow and press Enter to start scanning for system file errors. While that scan is running, go back to the search bar and type Check for Updates. Click on the Check for Updates result from the list. Let Windows search for and install any available updates. Wait for the system scan to complete fully to 100%. Finally, restart your computer to apply the fixes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.